Yeah, no worries. I'll put it back in the bag. Hey guys, how you going? You know who I am, Lucre. LOSI 24/7. I'm gonna steal the camera, and I'm gonna go to SSME. I'm gonna take the LOSI 5 Brushless. You know, the Mark All design, blah 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 blah, castle stuff. I'm gonna take it with me. Thought I'd do a film for myself, what I actually do, which is I race. So I'm gonna take it in this camera, get some Cobra footage, throw it on my head, and do what I do, which is laugh like a girl and race. And I'll show you what I do with it. So first time I'm running the 8S LOSI 5-T 2.0 on the track at Lucre, which I race the Nationals. So next time you see me, I'll have a thing on my head looking at the track. I better go. Alright gentlemen, we're at SSME. Uncle Bobby, got Johnny up there, racing his LOSI 5-T gasser. Got Bobby's 5-T 1.0 running the 32. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's Johnny's Baja. Got that bad boy, trying to get that dialed in, and I thought I might as well get this thing going, so we'll see how we go, eh? She's blowing a wind. Got the train guys over there. Yeah, weirdos. Alright, track's pretty slippery, hasn't been graded since open day. Oh, let's not flip this thing today. Okay, this is the entry of the track. The good thing about this, not only is it brushless, look at this. Oh, look at that! Reverse! So we're at SSME, Sydney Society of Model Engineers. This is where I raced Nats. What was it? May? A main debut. All right, nice and easy. What are these? 8000s. 150C. Nice and simple. Go away from the puddle. Oh, that's right, it's got brake. Not slide. Nice. Just a little practice round, guys. Nice. Tail's coming out, nice. It's only little feathering it. It's all bumbly around there. I wonder why. So these are actually the mod V3s, the shocks. Just cruising, keeping away from all the puddles. Clean this thing every week. Find a little bit harder because I don't have the sound of the engine, so I don't know where I am as far as RPMs. And the brake, usually I touch the brake, slide my ass around. Alright, we'll get this one over and done with. So these are stock LOSI tyres, but they got the zero growths in them. I think you've seen. Steering's nice. The Hell Electronics, I think it's the 6000. It's really nice. Get away from the puddle. Pick up a little bit of speed. Nice. This is the bit. This is where I usually brake, throttle. Don't have to on this. Whoa, that's a fine. So, okay. From I'll bring him around. It's really rough there. So this is lap 3 of my warm-up. Okay, let's go, guys. Oh, it's really slippery over there. Jesus, rocky. So it's gonna flick it around on the accelerator, try to get it around. Probably not the best tyres for this track. And power, 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 power. Round, power again, power, 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 power. Ooh. Needs to be graded over there. Come down, hard right, left, sorry. You go, fall into this, drift it around, power on, jump. Little turn to the left, watch out for the puddle! Bring it around, nose darts around. Okay, nice, bring it in, little tough to the brake. Power on, full accelerate, flick it around, full accelerate, brake. Around, try to ride the top because it gets a little bit, how's it going there? Come around, power, 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 power. Lost it. Power again, power, more power. There we go. Ready. Alright, see if we can do a little jump on the bridge. Wait! Oh, it's my favourite bit, guys. So not really full power, guys. It's not a straight kind of track. It's a turny track, low torque track for the gases. But it seems to like it. We had an E-class, which I can't believe I'm saying. Be good. So, as always, oh nice, big. Jeez, looks like you've done this before. This one here, I want to try to power out. There we go. So this is 8S, guys, the Castle 2028. Running the Castle XLX. Haven't touched the punch rates. Just curve around, flick it out. Well, let's get some power drift going, eh? Oh, got the nose up then. So I'll remember that for next time. Come on, Mick. It's not your first time. There we go. So just riding that throttle. Nice. Grab it. That's it. Oh, it's really crumbly over there. Alright, let's do another little. Yeah. Oh! Yeah, just the way I planned. Straighten up, baby. Nice. If that puddle wasn't there, I wouldn't have to slow down, but see what I can do. Might have to nose down here. No, comes up. Not breaking my track records for you guys. I think it's like 50-55 seconds I average. Oh, riding the rail! Oh, Bobby! Under the bridge as usual. Yeah, I rode it, I couldn't get off it. Yeah, Tony Hawk styles. Thanks, Bobby. Don't know why you couldn't help me out. What do you reckon? Yeah. It's just hard to gauge because you've got no sound, so you don't know where you are as far as throttle. And the brake is a lot different because it actually stops. I need to try to come up with another way. Yeah, on the yeah, because it's yeah, it's a bashing. So look at that. Bobby. Not going too hard out. So I don't want to break this thing again. Get out of it. It's like someone drove a car on that thing. Let's see how we go here. Hook it in, slide it out, straighten it up. Keep away from the dirt. Oh, the wind's coming down, no, it stays down. Oh, okay. Oh, like a two-wheel drive buggy. It around, nice. I'm allowing for the drift. This one here I want to try to get. Power, 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 power. Ah, rookie. Bring it down, bring it around, tighten it up, jump. Be nice on the bridge, turn, slide down. Power off, flick it, flick it. Boom. You got to try to land that jump straight, or else you don't want that landing. Ooh, the nose comes up on there, eh? Brake, slide, accelerate, accelerate, accelerate out. Oh no, too much. So I tap on the brakes because it usually helps me slide out, but keep forgetting it's a motor brake, not a physical mechanical brake. It's actually a little bit. Oh, get away from all that shit. Nice. Bring it down, Oh, keep away, keep away, keep away. Usually I like to slide where that thing is, right, that puddle is at the moment, but nose down, get off it. Oh, just. Let's see. Brake. Throttle, throttle, throttle. Throttle more. There we go. Throttle. Throttle more. Right at the top. Come down, turning. Throttle, brake. Throttle, 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 throttle. Nice. A little bit oversteer. Ooh, get away from all that shit. Little jump here. Straighten it up, come around. That's it. Nice. Always right there. Oh. Getting too loose. Ah! I went through the puddle. Okay, calm down. Hey! That's it, that's nice. Right to burn, mate. Little jump here. Whoa! Too squirrely. Alright, Johnny looks like Johnny's one's ready. Hopefully might have some bad there. Oh, that puddle. Let's go full. Whoa! Can't beat the LOSI, eh guys? Nice. Oh, LV's low voltage cutoff, guys. LVC. Oh, that was good fun, eh? All right, here we go. So it wasn't LVC. It was my 7PX ran out of bat, so ran out of signal. So I'll throw my back checker on it, see what it comes up. So this is why I didn't want to, damn it, didn't want to go in. Oh well, she's still pretty. Right, sure.